Now, good morning everyone. It's actually cooking on gas up at the allotment today. Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Tony Smith and this is my garden.
In the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down.
So yes, today I'm just having a little kind of look around and making sure everything's all right. I came up the other day and I noticed a few butterflies were laying, and I noticed a few caterpillars on a couple of these brassicas. So what I want to do, I want to just go around the whole lot and just check the plants, make sure everything's all right. But specifically, I think I noticed one as a passing, might be hard to see, just some ones that I've planted, just pull them out if they're not working. I'm going to clear out most of that little bed there, take that bed out, so it's just starting to get ready there now, and then hopefully give all my brassicas a nice spray with the BT, the Bacillus thuringiensis. So hopefully that's on the plans today. So I made up a batch of the BT last night, and this is my tub. Now it's actually hard to get a hold of at the moment. I think if I can find a link I will, but there's not that many, and I'll just show you. You can see, I mean, it's lasted us, this was about £35 for that tub, probably a bit more, maybe 40, but that's lasted us up to now 2 years. So you certainly get your kind of money's worth. And I just use a couple of teaspoons in kind of say 3/4 gallon of water, put it in one of those sprays, and then away I go. So that's what, and it seems to kind of keep them down. But I think it was specifically on this plant, I noticed a few caterpillars, and it's like you see, when you go, we've been on like our little holidays and that, so you kind of keep on the ball all the time. But I want to just have a good kind of look around and just make sure everything's all right. So I'll come back to the spray, and like I say, you can see cabbage white over there. Just they look so quaint and dainty, but wow, man. So anyways, what I want to do, let's just clear out a bit of this bed. I think there's only 2 little turnips left, and just get it prepared, maybe put some winter onions in, something like that, nice and tidy. I'm going to leave the 2 sprouting broccoli at that far end.
Turn it up, windows down, racing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is it.
I'm just putting a little couple of inches on there just to keep everything nice and sweet.
I don't wanna go.
There we go. I'm not 100% sure what's going in here, but there'll be something going in there very soon, so we'll just wait and see. So this is my cauliflower bed. Now I'm noticing I've got some great plants, but also some like stunted little ones, and I'm not sure why, you know what I mean? It's just, you can see it's even put out a little bit of a head there, so I'm going to pull these 2 here, and I think there's one over there, and it means I just have a little bit of space to bang something else in, now, instead of just wasting it on this. See if I can get into there with my quick method. Oh, I might as well get that weed while I'm there as well. There was only one turnip that was any good, so I'm keeping that one. So you can see on that side, there's a one. I mean, I'm getting a couple of collies are coming there. Might actually tear that one. Well, leave it a little bit longer. I don't want anything to happen to it. Actually, there's a little niggly one over there as well. Right, this rubbish.
Turn it up, windows down, racing along.
Get that.
The summer night has just begun.
So I'll just have a little browse with you Nah, it looks alright. That had hardest, that one, wasn't it? Which is, I can get in. There's no air to it. This bed looks fine, mind you. Looks really good, this one. Sprout and broccoli. What else have I got? All year round cabbage. Bit nibbled on there on the April cabbage, but that's alright. Yeah, that looks good, that one. And I think I took... No, I didn't. It's there, isn't it?
Baby, don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free.
I think that's... Yep. I think that's good. So with this, obviously with this BT, the netting ones I don't have to really spray because the butterflies aren't getting in, everything looks good. And it's just purely for caterpillars. So let's pump away, Tony. Oh, still got a good bit of pressure on. Get up. So I think I mentioned this before, that what I've learned is just about 7 applications a year. So let's just, because as you know, this is our main crop of this going into the winter and spring. This works, mind you, this is tidy. Nice pressure there.
And yeah, we're crazy deep in love. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go.
So like I say, that BT, I forget what's it called, laryngitis or something, laryngitis, has lasted me for ages, that tub, and it'll last for years if you can get a hold of it. Like I say, I try and put a link, but if I cannot find anything. And like I say, it's really, if there's any overshoot from this, I'll just put it outside, you know. But man, looking good, you know what I mean? Look at the size of them bloody aubergines. Oh, lovely, man. God, I'll get them again. Big thank you to Mark, one of the allotment holders there. Give us these, look at these, all these top. Apparently the butchers have them. And the butcher saves them. Ah, brilliant, to be honest. If anyone has seen the Sean James Cameron interview with myself, that's where I did it. I sat on that stool. Would you believe I had that bucket on that box, and I had a mic, like a camera set up with a tripod on the soil. Ever professional. Looks alright, everything. I came up the other day, what did I do? I patted some more bok choy, and eventually my oak leaf Nirvana has come through. So I've got a little tray there. So, but today is a work day and I'm off to work. Tomatoes are still hanging in there, but these are going now soon. I'm going to take these off and just probably ripen them. I don't know, obviously ripen them at home I was going to, but they're nearly there now, to be honest. Just another day or so and that will be done. So from a very hot garden, look after yourselves, enjoy your garden, take good care.